What if one of America's rarest 1956 wagons secretly packed modern muscle, air ride suspension, and luxury that rivals today's classics? Let's reveal this incredible 1956 Chevrolet 150 Handyman Wagon Restomod. This isn't just another classic wagon, it's a rolling masterpiece that perfectly blends 1950s American style with modern performance and comfort. The 1956 Chevrolet 150 Handyman Wagon Restomod proves that practicality and breathtaking style can exist in the same machine. Every inch of this custom build has been carefully upgraded while preserving the unmistakable character that made Chevrolet's Tri-5 era legendary. Finished in a stunning silver metallic exterior with a contrasting satin-finished upper body, this wagon immediately commands attention. Chrome accents sparkle from every angle, while the factory-style badging proudly reminds everyone of its heritage. The custom aftermarket wheels give the wagon an aggressive modern stance, perfectly filling the wheel wells thanks to its lowered air ride suspension. Up front, massive 235/40 R18 tires provide excellent grip, while the wider 275/35 R20 rear tires hint that this classic has plenty of performance beneath the hood. Lift the hood and you'll discover the heart of this incredible Restomod, a dependable 327 cubic inch Chevrolet V8. Equipped with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, this legendary small block delivers the classic American V8 soundtrack enthusiasts love. Stainless steel headers help the engine breathe freely, while the brand new dual exhaust system with an X-pipe produces a deep, unmistakable rumble that turns heads everywhere it goes. Backing the V8 is the proven 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission. Unlike older 3-speed automatics, the overdrive gear makes this wagon comfortable on long highway cruises while providing smooth acceleration around town. Power is transferred through a factory-style Posi rear end fitted with 3.73-1 gears, delivering impressive off-the-line performance while remaining highway-friendly. Driving this Handyman wagon is a completely different experience from the original 1956 model. Rack-and-pinion power steering replaces the older steering system, providing precise handling and improved driver confidence. Four-wheel power disc brakes offer significantly shorter stopping distances than factory drum brakes, giving this classic modern braking performance. One of the biggest highlights is its advanced air ride suspension. At the touch of a switch inside the cabin, the wagon can raise or lower its ride height, allowing it to sit low for car shows or lift for everyday driving. Underneath, the triangulated rear suspension improves stability and traction, while the black painted frame, new brake lines, and fresh exhaust system demonstrate the high-quality craftsmanship invested in this build. Open the doors, and the luxury continues. The custom brown interior transforms the classic wagon into a comfortable grand tourer. The body color matched dashboard maintains the vintage appearance while housing modern aftermarket gauges in the original locations. This thoughtful design keeps the factory look intact while providing more accurate information for today's driving conditions. Comfort has clearly been a priority throughout the build. Modern aftermarket air conditioning keeps the cabin cool even during hot summer cruises. A tilt steering column allows drivers to find the perfect seating position, while the custom center console adds convenience without sacrificing the wagon's timeless style. Brown carpeting, custom door panels, chrome accents, and the black headliner all work together to create an interior that feels both elegant and inviting. Entertainment hasn't been overlooked either. An Alpine stereo system provides modern audio quality while remaining tastefully integrated into the classic interior. The air ride suspension controls are neatly mounted inside the cabin, allowing instant adjustment whenever the road or the show field demands it. What makes this 1956 Chevrolet 150 Handyman Wagon Restomod truly special is its balance. It doesn't try to erase its history. Instead, it celebrates Chevrolet's iconic design while adding the reliability, comfort, safety, and drivability expected from a modern performance cruiser. Every upgrade feels purposeful, enhancing the driving experience without taking away the soul of this rare classic. Whether it's cruising down the highway, drawing crowds at a car show, or simply sitting under the lights with its silver metallic paint gleaming against polished chrome, this Handyman wagon captures everything enthusiasts love about Restomods. Its vintage style, modern engineering, and timeless American craftsmanship wrapped into one unforgettable machine. If you're passionate about extraordinary classic cars transformed into modern masterpieces, this 1956 Chevrolet 150 Handyman Wagon Restomod deserves a place on your dream garage list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because there's always another incredible classic waiting to be discovered right here on the channel.